done with the common factors and common multiples also. Okay, means how we find out the factors, how we find out the multiples. Okay, so we have done this all in our previous class. Okay, so now in this class we are going to discuss about different topics. That first topic is prime factorization, second common factor, third is HCF means highest common factor, fourth is common multiple, then LCM. Okay, next one is relation between HCF and LCM. Okay, so these are the topics that we are going to do in this class. Okay, so our first topic is prime factorization. So in prime factorization, prime numbers we have already did. Okay, that what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers that are found only in its own number. Okay, so only its own number means, for example, means the common factor is only 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 19. Okay, so these all are a prime numbers. Okay, now we have to factorize a number. Okay, so say 30. Okay, means 30 is a number. We have to do a prime factorization of 30. Okay, means split that number one by one. Okay, so the least prime number is 2, or smallest we can say. Okay, so starting a splitting number from 2. Okay, if it is possible. So split that number 2 and 15. Is it clear? Okay, means firstly we have to split the 30 by 2 and 15. Okay, how we get it? Means we have to divide the 30 by 2. Then it is possible. Okay, 15. So here we can write the 30 is factorized into 2 and 15. Okay, now 2 is a prime number. Okay, now it cannot further divided into any smallest prime number. Okay, because itself is a smallest prime number. Now we are talking about the 15. Now the firstly smallest prime number is 2. Is 15 is divisible by is 2 is divisible by 15, or 15 is divisible by 2? No. Then this prime number we can contain. Okay, now the next is 3. Take care that 15 is divisible by 3. Yes. So 15 is divisible by 3 at what place? 5. Okay, 3 and 5. Okay, now 3 is further divided into any other table? No. 5 is further divided into any other table? No, because 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Okay, and these prime numbers are only come in its own number. Okay, so this is our prime factorization. Okay, and this method is also known as a tree method. Okay, if we did a simple prime factorization, then 30, do it as 2. When 30 comes in a 2 table at the 15. Now is 15 comes in 2 table? No. So now we take a next prime number. Next prime number is 3. 3 5s are 15. Is 5. Now 5 is a 5. So these are the factors of 30. Okay, means this method is known as a prime factorization. Okay, let's do one more example. One more example is 45. Try to solve it. 45. Okay, so first we solve by a basic method. Is 45 is divisible by 2? No. Then take 3. Is 3 divisible by 45? Sorry, 45 is divisible by 3? Yes. At what place? 1, 5, 15. Okay. Next. Is 15 is divisible by 3? Yes. At which place? 5. Okay. Now, is 5 divisible by 3? No. Then 5 ones are 5. So these are the factors of factors. Okay. Means prime factors. Okay. If I want to do in by a tree method, then 45 splits into two terms, that is 3 and 15. Further 15 is split into two terms, that is 3 and 5. Now stop here. Okay. Why we stop here? Because these all having a one common factor and further they are not divided by any number. Okay. So this is our prime factorization. Okay. Now our next is common multiple. Okay, take one more example. 72. Okay. So firstly, now divided as 72. So when we divide the 72 by 2, it becomes a 36. Now further 2 ones are 8. Okay. 2 nines are. Now 9 is divisible by 2. No. So 9 is divisible by next number, that is 3. Okay. 3 threes are 3 1. Okay. So this is the prime factorization. Sorry. Now binary method. So the first factor is 2 and 36. So 2 and 36. Now 36 divided into 2 and 8. 2 and 18. Okay. 18 is divided as 2 and 9. Okay. And 9 is divided as 3. Okay. So this is our tree method. Okay. And these are the prime factors. Okay. Here we can say at last 3 and 1. So this is our tree method. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Now our next topic is common multiple. For common multiple, first give it the multiples. Means write down the multiples of 4. Write down the multiples of 2. Means all the numbers that are coming in these tables are all the multiples of number 4. Okay. For example, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. Okay. Means these all numbers are the multiple of 4. Okay. Similarly for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. So these all numbers are the multiple of 2. Okay. Now we have to write down the common multiple. But we have to write down the common multiple. Okay. Here we have done the multiples of 4 and 2. Now we have to find out the common multiples of 4 and 2. Okay. So common multiples. 4. Here we can write the common multiples. 4, 8, 12, 16, next 20, Okay, means so on. So these are the common multiples of 4 and 2. Okay, this is a common multiples. Okay, but common multiples numbers are the odd numbers that is in greatest number. Okay, here you can see that 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So what are the common multiples? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Means जो नंबर बड़ा होगा उसके जो multiples होंगे वही क्या होंगे? Common multiples. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now next one is we have to find out the highest common factor. Now a term arises that factors. So factors means, as we already did 4. So the factors of 4 is 2 into 2. Okay, 1 into 4, 4 into 1. Okay, means these are the factors of 4. Okay, so let's take one example. That we have to find out the highest common factor of 72, 64 I think, 64 and 48. 64 and 48. Okay, so for the highest common factor, for finding the highest common factor, firstly we have to do a prime factorization of all these three numbers. Okay, 72, firstly do a prime factorization. 3, 6, 2, 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 72. Now move on 64. 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 6, 8, 4, 2, 2, 1. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 64. Now 42. 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Okay, this is the prime factorization of all these numbers. Okay, now how we have to find out the highest common factor? Okay, so for finding out the highest common factor, firstly you have to write down all the factors of these numbers. Okay, all the factors of these numbers means 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, similarly for 64, 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to find out the highest common factor. Okay, now circle the common factors. 2, 2, 2. Okay, हमें इन तीनों का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना था, इसलिए हमें जो भी नंबर हम सर्कल कर रहे हैं वो इन तीनों में आने चाहिए, 72, 64 and 48. Okay, so 2 is common here, 2 is common here, 2 is common here, means the LCM of 72, 64, 48 is equals to, write it as a ones. जो कॉमन है उनको एक बार लिखना है. 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. Okay, and 8 is the answer. Means the highest common factor of 72, 64 and 48 is 8. Okay, is it clear that how 8 it comes? Firstly, write down the all factors of 72, write down the all factors of 64, write down the all factors of 48. Okay, now circle the common factors. Okay, as the name suggests that highest common factor. Okay, so circle the all common factors. 2, 2, 2 at first line, second line, third line. Now here are 2 common, but here is not present 2. Okay, 3 is present here, but 3 is not present in second line. Okay, so that's why we can't take it as a common. Okay, so write a common numbers at once. 2 into 2 into 2, and the highest common factor is 8. Is it clear to all of you that what is the highest common factor and how we can find it? Okay. Now, common multiple. So as we already discussed about the common multiples. Multiples means all the numbers that coming in a given number are the multiples of. For example, at previous time we talked about the 4 and 2. We have written all the multiples and finding out the common multiples. Okay. Now, after that, there are further many types to find out the highest common factor. Okay. Now, first type we have done. Now the second type is take the previous example. Okay, ये हमारे पास 3 numbers हैं. These are the 3 numbers given in a question. Now you have to find out the common factor. So in first, we can say that in first type, we find out the factors of each number separately. Now we are going to find out these factors. अब हम इन्हें एक साथ ही सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज द सेकंड टाइप. सो फर्स्टली टेक अ 2, 3, 6, 3, 2, 2, 4. Now 1, 8, 1, 6, 1, 2. Next 2, 2, 9 is 18, 2, 8 is 16, 2, 6 is 12. Okay, now here you can say that 9 not comes in a 2 table, but we can write it as it is. Solve the further numbers. Okay, now you can see that 3 and 9 comes in 1 table. So 3, 4, 1, 3. Now 4 comes in 2 table. Okay, means we can solve these as a test. Okay, so this is all about our highest common factor, means how we can find out the highest common factor. Okay, now the second method is long division method. Okay, so how we can find out the HCF by a long division method? For example, take up previous examples. 62, 64, 72 and 48. Means now we have to find out the highest common factor by long division method. Okay. So first we solve these two. By division 64, 72. Okay. Means पहले हमें इन्हें divide करना है. तो 64 2 जा कितना होता है? 128. Okay, so 61 4 are 64. 12 में से 4 गया 8. Now we write this number here. Okay, and divided it by 8. Okay, so 8 8s are 60. Means highest common factor is 8. Okay, now this is divisible by this. Okay. So how this is divisible by 48 and 8. 8, 6 is 40. So the highest common factor is 8. Okay, means as we find in a first type that the highest common factor of 72, 64 and 48 is 8. Okay, if we find the highest common factor by any other method, okay, means if we find out the highest common factor by any other method but the 2 terms by division method. 106. Okay, 106 to 6 to the 12, 102, 202. Okay, so 1 at one side, 3 and 5. Okay, now take this number here. Okay, if we multiply 53 by 2, 6 and 10, 106. Okay, so here we can write it to 106. So highest common factor is 53. So divide 53 with 731. 371 divided by 50. Okay, now 53 3s are 9 and 15. Okay, 53 5s are 15, 25, 1, 26. 53 7s are 21, 2. 35, 36, 37. 53 7s are 3, 7, 1. So the highest common factor of these 2, 3 terms is 53. Okay, is it clear to all of you? So firstly we have completed our prime factorization. Then how we have to find out the highest common factor? Only common factor. Then the 3 types of highest common factor. Okay. Next one is we already done the common multiple. Now we are move on LCM. Okay, means least common multiple. Okay. Now LCM. This chapter is very easy. If you did every question carefully, then it is the easiest chapter. Okay. Now we have to find out the least common multiple. Okay. So as we take example 84 and 96. 84 and 96 means we have to find out the LCM of these two numbers. Okay. So divide 84 by a least prime number as we did 2, 4, 2, 2, 1. Now see that 21 is not divisible by 1. Okay. So here we can take a number 3. That is. Okay, 84. Now 96. 96 is divisible by 2. Yes. 4 and 8. Next 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Next 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, ये तो आपको आता था. ठीक है, means we have to find out the LCM by first step of LCM. Okay, इतना हमने कर लिया by prime factorization. Now write it 84 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, now 96 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, अब देखो what the LCMs indicates that least or lowest common multiple. सबसे lowest या फिर least common multiple. ठीक है, so firstly we have to find out the common. 2 2. Next is 3. Okay, so LCM firstly we write it as a 1. Those numbers who are common write it as a 1 means इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे these are the common multiples. Common multiples. Okay, and write down the other one. 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now I write it here. That LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 3 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2. First three numbers are the common multiples. Okay, and the rest of them are written as it is. Okay, now multiply them. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Okay, next next 12 7s are 84. ओके, यहाँ तक 84 है, उसके आगे मुझे भी टेबल नहीं आता 84 का क्या होता है. ओके, जहाँ तक आता था मुझे वहाँ तक मैंने रीड आउट कर लिया. ओके, नाउ 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. इन तीनों का क्या बन गया 8. नाउ आई मल्टीप्लाई 84 and 8. 84 and 8. 3 8 8 is 64, 65 66 67. Okay, so the LCM of 84 and 96 is 672. Is it clear or not? Okay, we did one more example. One more example is 88 and 64. One more example is 88 and 64. Try to do by yourself. 82 and 64. 82 and 64. Now the second method of finding out the LCM of two numbers. इसको भी हम इकट्ठे कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? So 2, 4, 1, 3 and 2. Okay? Now what it happens? 41 is a prime number. Okay, I think that 41 is a prime number. Okay, so that's why it not comes in any number. Now 41 written is as it is. 2 1s are 2, 6. 2 41 8. 2 41 4. 2 41 4 2. Let us check. 88. I'm sorry, here is a 88. 4 22 11 11 11 2 11 1 and the last one is 11 11. Okay, so these are the LCM, means common multiples. Okay, so we have to multiply all these. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Now multiply 64 by 11. 4 6 4 6 4 0 7. Now 704 is the LCM of 88 and 64. Okay, now the last topic is property of HCF and LCM. Okay, so the property of HCF and LCM is relation between HCF and LCM. Okay, so on this equation we have to do some word problems given in your exercise. Okay, so I solved two of the questions from this property. Okay, for example, find the HCF and LCM of two one number is given as 24. Find out the second number. Now, how we have to apply this formula here? Okay. So, firstly, read the relation between HCF and LCM, that HCF multiplied by LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Okay. So, HCF is also given 8, LCM is also given 96. Okay. And the product of two numbers. Out of two, one number is given here. Okay. And we have to find out the second number. So, HCF multiplied by LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Okay, means here we can write a one line. Let the two numbers be A and okay, A and B. LCM is 8, HCF is 96. Suppose A is given as a 24 and we have to find it a B. Okay, now 8 multiplied by 96, it comes on other side at a division. Now we have to solve. 8 3s are 24. Okay, now 3 3s are 9 and 2, means the second number is 32. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Watch this video carefully. Okay, and try to learn these topics, that what is a prime factorization, what is a common factor, HCF, common multiple, LCM, and this relation. Okay, means watch this video very carefully. Okay, because this is not your whole chapter. Okay, this is not your whole chapter. I cover only a basics of this chapter in this video. Okay, so you have to watch this video carefully and clear your basics of which basics? Basics of HCF and LCM. Okay, so after watching this video, you clear your all concepts about HCF and LCM. It is easier to solve your exercises. Okay, so now we are discussing our exercises, different exercises in our classes. So if you are having any doubt